Jai Hind everyone. My name is Devanshi Pandey, a cadet of 55 UP Battalion, NCC Kanpur. My regimental number is UP 2021 SWA 461550. On the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, I am going to present my views on the topic innovation, peace and unity. What is innovation? Innovation is the practical implementation of ideas that result in the introduction of new goods or services. Mainly, innovation focuses on improvement and spreading of ideas. It is another term for change. Now, let's talk about peace through unity. As many of us know that it is most simple concept in the world to understand, but one of the most difficult concept to implement. We can only attain peace by unity. Now next, move to another slide, unity in diversity. As we all know that our India is culturally diverse country, and the unity which lies in it is unity in diversity. India has one central government and many state governments, all democratic and functioning with unity in diversity. We have our political, social, intellectual and cultural differences. Yet we are one great democratic nation with all as equal citizens. These are the examples of unity in diversity in India. And diversity is the nature of universe. Our languages are different, cultures are different, religions are different, and intelligence are different, and so many other things. Despite the differences we have, we can live together peacefully, and innovation can take place only in an atmosphere of peace. And what is the motto of NCC? The motto of NCC is unity and discipline. So that's our topic for today's presentation. Unity is also there. As we all know that motto of NCC is unity and discipline, which means all the cadets should be well disciplined. They should have good character, attitude and ambition along with the social responsibility. They must be united together as a team in all aspects without any discrimination, such as based on caste, religion, gender, language, race, and social status. Only then they will be able to establish unity around them. And the unity established thus reflects the peace of the nation and helps in innovation and development of the nation. So innovation rises when there is unity in diversity, as it leads to peace of the nation. So we must maintain unity among the nation, so it will be able to maintain peace, and innovation of the ideas will be there, and the development of the nation will also be there. Jai Hind.